Okay. Wait, where are you? Gotta. Okay. Yeah, yeet. Wee. Hey, that was fun. There's a dead body. There's a dead body. Can we put this back in the chamber where it was? Then I'm gonna be an elf. I'm gonna be an elf. I'm an elf. I'm an elf uniform. Wee. Run, dude. Run! Wait, where's the murderer? Where's the murderer? Wait, I'm an elf. I'm an elf. I'm behind you. Oh, okay. No, I'm right here. I'm not the murderer. I'm behind you. Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Where the freak do we go? I'm scared. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Wait, are you the sheriff or innocent? Okay. Wait, I think I know who the murderer is. I'm gonna go try and find the gun. The murderer. Hopefully the murderer isn't around. So I can get the gun and I can. Oh, look at all these coins. Yeah. I found so much coins. Ah! What? The murder's behind me. The murder's behind me. The murder's behind me. The murder's behind me. No. I don't even know where you are. I'm ready to do it. Oh. Yes! Oh my goodness. Oh, thank goodness. I could have died, but I didn't. I'm so proud of myself. I don't even know where you are. I'm not recording, by the way. Do you have anything to say to YT? No. I already reached 41 subscribers. I'm very grateful for that. Like I legit just checked like 2 days ago. Now I can be out. Yes, you can. You can only say 911. You can say oh. You can only say like call 911 or 23. 23. Oh, you can't say 23. I don't know. Bro, my percent chance is 17. Brad! Okay, this game is a scam. Bro. Yes, it is. Hey! No. Oh, Leafy's in the game. I actually might. Could I add Leafy to the call? I don't trust anybody. Ah! Okay. I yelled for no reason. I think it's that Roblox guy. I think it's the Roblox guy. Oh, it's her. Oh, never mind. She has a never mind. She has a teddy bear. But oh my goodness, where's the murderer? Where's the murderer? It's like you literally cannot trust anybody. Oh, the guy killed the. That was so stupid. It's Roblox guy. Roblox guy. I think. Oh! 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 Hey, Leafy. Up. Up. Wait, what? Where's Leafy? I'm rent. Live or okay. Bro, why can't I log into my phone? Never mind. Yo, I have such a freaking big phone. I'm innocent. Oh, you sure? Bro, I've been innocent for too long now. Sorry, bruh. Oh, and he's gone. Oh. It's not really all that laggy, but central. And guys, by the way, if y'all want me to play Roblox, I'll freaking play that. Cause like, I'm not that boss, but like, I'm okay. So yeah, comment down below if you want me to play it. Okay, it's up. But I think it's up, and it's been 7 minutes. Wow. So yeah, guys. So guys, if you liked this video, if you did, smash that like button, shoot it with everything you got, smash it, kill it, and do whatever you can to do anything to it. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.